the Z Fold 5. Are you worried about the 3 C's, the cost, the camera, and the crease? I've spent the last 2 months with the Z Fold 5 with an improved hinge and a brighter display. Is the Fold 5 worth its hefty price tag? Let's unfold together. First of all, the phone's design and build quality. Galaxsy Fold's design is nothing short of revolutionary. Its sleek, slim profile, and premium material really exude elegance. And the hinge itself is quite robust and well engineered, which allows for a smooth folding experience. I must say that Samsung has knocked it out of the park in terms of build quality. It has an impressive 7.6 inches foldable dynamic AMOLED display screen with an impressive 91.1% screen to body ratio. The main screen has a resolution of 1812 by 2176 pixels, which gives a 373 ppi density. The cover display also boasts a 6.2 inches dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Even with the premium silicone cover which was provided by Samsung free with this phone, the form factor has hardly been altered, and in all fairness, I think it provides it with more texture and ruggedness, which in fact makes it more sturdy to grip. I just wanted to share my feedback on the form factor of my old device Note 10 Plus and the iPhone 15 Pro Max in relation to Samsung Galaxy Fold 5. I had been using Galaxy Note 10 Plus for quite a while, and I was quite reluctant to go for Galaxy Fold 2, 3, 4, as I thought that the form factor between a big screen on Note 10 Plus and now a smaller screen on Fold 5 will be a hindrance. In all fairness, the very design of Fold 5 with its compact form factor is a strong plus for me, as I can still perform most of the functions single-handedly, and the sleek design makes it very easy to handle and carry. And the same applies to if I compare it with iPhone 15 Pro Max, as I personally like the slim and sleek and compact form factor of Fold 5 for multitasking and daily work. Another great feature on Fold 5 is the main power button, which also enables the biometric fingerprint security to log on and log off. This has been a game changer for me, as I was used to the under-screen biometric security on Note 10 Plus. This feature is super quick with lightning speed connectivity and saves enormous amount of time in my daily work. I discussed the screen specifications earlier on. The AMOLED display on this device is breathtaking. Irrespective when I use it as folded device or unfolded, the 7.6-inch screen offers stunning visuals with really vibrant colors and deep blacks. The crease on the screen is minimal and hardly noticeable in most uses, and the high refresh rate of the screen ensures smooth scrolling and gaming experience. Due to the latest Snapdragon processor and sufficient RAM, the Fold 5 delivers quite a snappy performance across the board while multitasking or working between different apps and screens, and the high refresh rate makes it more enjoyable to work. With a massive 1TB memory available, I can save up to 1000 standard definition videos, 300 high definition Netflix videos, and up to 150 ultra high definition videos. I really like the S Pen support and functionality on Fold 5, which is pretty much the same as Fold 4. It really adds a new dimension to the productivity that I work in my hospital work as a doctor. Whether it's taking notes or just scrolling and browsing between different apps, taking notes, editing documents, it just offers a seamless stylus experience. I've done a separate video on how to effectively and efficiently multitask on Galaxy Fold 4 and Fold 5, and the link is provided below. Working as a doctor in the hospital means that I need a robust, reliable, efficient device for my daily work. And Fold 5 has certainly ticked all the boxes in that domain due to its unique form factor, productivity apps, beautiful design and size, and S Pen support. I can easily use it during meetings to take notes or reply to emails in its flex mode. It truly takes multitasking to an all new level. Another truly unique feature in Fold 5 and also in the previous models like Fold 4 has been the flex mode support. This allows for the phone to be partially folded, and you can use it just like hands-free experience for either making video calls or taking pictures or watching your favorite movies or just scrolling. And the same flex mode can be used on the front screen, or you can just unfold and just use the main screen as partially folded. The cameras have truly amazing features, with the main camera being a triple lens with HDR recording including up to 8K video recordings. I've used the camera and the video in different conditions during day and nighttime photography and videography. and the results have been quite stunning. The colors are quite vivid and bright. The image quality truly rivals the dedicated point and shoot cameras, to be honest. And the results of photography are further enhanced by the amazing software which comes with all these functions. The nighttime photography, especially in ultra low light conditions, has truly been very impressive. I even tested to shoot the moon with its 30x zoom, and the results were quite stunning. I've done a separate YouTube video on the night photography with Fold 5s, and the link is provided below. One very impressive feature on Fold 5, which Samsung has definitely delivered on, is the app continuity between the folded mode as well as the fully opened up mode like a tablet. This really ensures a seamless continuity between both modes, and most of the important apps like Google Maps, Spotify, email, photography, most of them are available on Google Play Store. So that really helps a lot while working on a daily basis. Last but not the least is definitely the battery, which everyone is concerned about on any device. How often do we feel so frustrated when the battery is running out? Thanks to a large 4400 milliamperes, the battery on Fold 5 certainly lasts a long time. It can easily charge from 0 to 50% in almost 30 minutes. And for me personally, after a heavy use of all day work, I am still left with at least more than 50% of the battery.